Towards the twilight of your career, I think you played for Vets, but you are also an analyst on TV. How was that? Because sometimes you have to quickly, suddenly change and then become a TV analyst straight after the match.
Yeah, it was very challenging. Challenging in the sense that there was one incident that, unfortunately playing for Vets, it's that Vets was playing on Fridays. And
Yes.
then we were playing on Fridays, then I would work on Saturday or Sunday. But now, the biggest moment, and it happened once in my lifetime, that SABC were talking to Vets and saying, no, we need him on this particular Saturday because he's got to come to work. And Vet says, no, but he has to play. And not knowing, when you say you're fighting about the man, but not the matter. So then they realized later, I think it was on a Thursday or Friday, that no, the game that SABC is covering is the game between Pirates and Vets.
You still have to play the same match, but you also have to do interviews after the match.
Yeah. So I did the build-up from the change room, kitted, but I had shorts on and then had a tie and a jacket on top. And then I got onto the field because then I had to link to the studio, the presenter in the studio.
Yes.
And after linking to Robert Marawa in studio, then I got onto the field. But then the agreement was that 15 minutes before the end of the game, I have to go change and jump into a suit and do the post-match interview. And we lost to Pirates by 2-1. And I will never forget my question to the coach and say, Coach, what do you do with the situation where your strikers don't take their chances? And I was one of those that did not score.